It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. I'm James Spann for Monday, June 4th. Very active weather to start this day. Check out some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. First off, coming from Chehaw State Park. Hey, nice to see a little daylight there. These were captured at 5 o'clock at the somewhat insane hour of 5 o'clock. Cloudy, but no rain at that point. That's the Hamilton Skycam, and right after that image was captured, the sky opened up. In fact, for a while, Marion County was under a severe thunderstorm warning about 5 o'clock, and look at that. Again, evidence of daylight up at the Tennessee River at Decatur from our Skycam there, where they saw some big storms last night. All right, there's the water vapor satellite view. It's a classic northwest flow aloft situation. And these can be tricky. We've got a number of storms upstream, and they just keep on rolling from northwest to southeast. There's the radar at 5:03 this morning, and those big storms were about to enter northwest Alabama at that point, and they'll just keep on coming today from time to time. That will be a day with occasional showers and storms. Not going to rain all day, but it could rain at any time through tonight. And yes, the storms could be pretty heavy. In fact, there's a mesoscale discussion put up by the Storm Prediction Center early this morning. They're thinking about a severe thunderstorm watch for central and east Alabama, downstream of the ongoing storms. And we'll see if they pull the trigger on that shortly. There's the day one convective outlook. We have the standard slight risk of severe weather for much of north and central Alabama. And points to the northwest and southeast. And this is not a tornado setup. This is a chance for mainly hail and strong straight-line winds, much like the storms we had yesterday, last night, and early this morning. So we'll be watching things carefully. Just be aware some severe thunderstorm warnings will probably be needed again later today and tonight. Now, tomorrow, the risk pushes to the south and east. We still might have a storm, but they probably will not be as strong as the ones today. That risk includes cities like Jacksonville, Valdosta, and Dothan. And then on day 3, just a couple of 5% areas, and that's below the severe weather risk criteria for a formal risk. But the good news, yes, getting some nice rain. This is showing rain amounts of about 1 to 1.5 inches, but listen, some spots are going to see a lot more than that, but you know, it's not going to be distributed evenly because of the scattered nature of the storms, but I think some spots could go over 2 or 3 inches, counting what they had yesterday, what they get today and tonight and tomorrow. And it's always nice getting some good rain starting the month of June because typically things, as you know, can be awfully dry around here during the summer. And quickly in the tropics, things are quiet. Tropical storm formation not expected anytime soon. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. You can see a pretty high amplitude pattern for June. Upper lows off the northwest coast and over the New England coast, a ridge in between, and you can see we're clearly in that northwest flow aloft. And again, that will keep these bands of showers and storms coming today. So occasional showers and storms today and tonight. Some could be strong to severe. Tomorrow, we still got the northwest flow aloft. The pattern is slowly progressive, and still we're going to mention scattered storms tomorrow. Maybe not quite as many as today. And then Wednesday, the surface boundary pushes down to about Alabama Highway 22. That pretty much bisects Alabama. So for the northern half of the state, Wednesday looks dry. Thunderstorms should be confined to South Alabama on Wednesday. Thursday looks like a sunny day. Temperatures will be in the 80s. The good news, we see no 90s this week. Pretty comfortable, if you will, for this time of the year. The GFS is showing 87. Friday should be a sunny day. Again, mid to upper 80s. Humidity not too high. Early morning lows around 60. And what about the weekend, you ask? Well, there's Saturday. You got this big upper low in the northwest. Westerlies are shifting north, and the heights are coming up, so we're going to start to heat up a little bit. Should be a sunny day here. The high close to 90. And Sunday looks dry with low 90s, 91 showing up on the GFS. So temperatures, that's about what you expect in June. And again, for now, the weekend looks dry. Monday of next week, a week from today, some moisture starts to creep back in here around the periphery of the Bermuda High. We might consider some mention of scattered showers or storms at that point. We'll check the end of the forecast, June 19th. Got a 588 subtropical ridge nosing in here. That looks a lot like summer, doesn't it? a weakness in the ridge over the western Gulf and a little tropical mischief, huh? Yeah, the GFS shows those all the time. Probably won't happen, but I do think if we have any tropical troubles this year, more than likely they will be from those systems that do develop close in like that. So we'll see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.